What is brain fog? What are the symptoms associated with it? What are the causes? And how do we treat it? So, in brain fog, the symptoms associated with it, if you have depression, confusion, loss of concentration, you're irritable, you have insomnia, and you have fatigue, those are all signs of brain fog. Usually when inflammation is very high in the brain, that's how you get brain fog. And the causes of it is eating lots of processed sugar, overloading on caffeine. If you do energy drinks, lack of exercise, lack of enough sleep, all of those cause brain fog. Some of the antipsychotic drugs actually cause brain fog. To treat it, you want to have a diet high in good fat like ghee and nuts and seeds, and very low in processed sugar, very low in grains. And you want to have high vitamin B, which is high in grass-fed meat.